Imagine you've got a deal, everything's set, but now you're waiting on legal or finance to approve it. It's like Batman being held back by red tape. He can't afford to wait. With tools like DocuSign and PandaDoc, you can automate contract approvals and e-signatures, getting the deal signed without manual delays. Salesforce CPQ Revenue Cloud also lets you automate pricing, proposals, and approval workflows, speeding up the entire process. Moksy.ai can help streamline your website's contract process by creating custom landing pages that include automated approvals, ensuring you're capturing the necessary signatures in real time. Using Zapier and Trade.io, you can integrate your contract systems with finance and legal teams, automatically triggering notifications and approvals, cutting down wait times significantly. Act now and subscribe for more tips on closing deals without waiting for approvals.